Compared to gas grills, the anatomy of charcoal grills is quite simple. Here, the best charcoal grills to buy. Number 1, most popular. Weber Original Kettle Premium Charcoal Grill. While widely viewed as the best charcoal grill you can buy, this thoughtfully designed grill is also quite affordable, costing hundreds less than high-end models. This Weber grill features a porcelain enameled lid and bowl for optimal heat retention, and the cooking grate can hold up to 13 burgers at once. There's a built-in lid thermometer and dampers on the lid that allow you to monitor and adjust the inner temperature. The plated steel cooking grate includes a hinge that allows you to add charcoal while you're cooking. Number 2. Char Griller E1515 Patio Pro Charcoal Grill. The Char Griller Patio Pro Barbecue Grill is a compact and budget-friendly option for your deck or patio. It features a modest 250 square inches of cooking space. For instance, the grill is equipped with cast iron cooking grates, as well as a convenient side drawer for adding charcoal. It even has a built-in wooden side shelf where you can keep tools and serving dishes. The handle on the lid stays cool to the touch, and there's an adjustable air vent on the side of the unit to help you regulate temperature. Number 3. Weber 10020 Smokey Joe 14-inch Portable Grill. Just like full-size models from the brand, this 14-inch grill has a porcelain enameled lid and bowl, as well as steel grates and an ash catcher down below. This portable charcoal grill can hold up to 5 hamburgers at a time, and the lid's glass-reinforced nylon handle stays cool during use. Reviewers say this product is an unbeatable value, as it's easy to tote around to various events and delivers the same caliber of high-quality food as full-size Weber grills. Number 4. Char Griller 06620 Charcoal Barbecue Grill. Kamado grills, like the Char Griller AKORN Kamado Charcoal Grill, are used for smoking and baking. They heat up quickly and impart more flavor into food. This particular Kamado grill has triple wall steel construction and features 314 square inches of cast iron grill space, as well as a removable warming rack. It includes a built-in thermometer and can be used to cook at temperatures ranging from 200 to 700 degrees. The grill has 2 convenient folding side shelves and utensil hooks. Reviewers say it works great for grilling, smoking, and baking pizza and other dishes. Number 5. PK Grill's PKO-SCAX-X Charcoal Barbecue Grill. This grill is made from cast aluminum for superior heat conduction, and its unique shape and 4-point venting system make it ideal for both grilling and smoking foods. It has over 305 square inches of cooking surface, that's big enough for a whole turkey, and 2 work shelves where you can prep food. This outdoor grill and smoker detaches easily from any of its available stand options for transport. PK Grill's charcoal grill with smoker packs a unique capsule-shaped construction and 4-vent system that make it easy to grill hot and fast or low and slow. Number 6. Slow N Sear Original Charcoal Kettle Grill. The 22 Slow N Sear Kettle Grill gives you all the performance you'd expect from a kettle-style charcoal grill. The Slow N Sear Kettle Grill has all of the sought-after characteristics of a high-quality kettle cooker, and then delivers more. When utilizing the patented Slow N Sear accessory inside the cooking chamber, this kettle focuses heat for a true 2-zone cooking environment that provides the best low-end slow smoking and searing power of any charcoal grill on the market. The 304 stainless steel cooking grate offers superior quality and cooking capability.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.